Guess who's back on YouTube? Me. Today I am just here. I'm going to install this blonde wig. I got the skin guard, the lace melt, and the lace mousse.
Up and leave. Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes. Have the foresight to believe.
If this glue can hold up people's hair in Nigeria, you should be able to hold up my hair. Welcome back. Guess who's back on YouTube? Me. Guess who got a mic? Me. Guess who got a whole lot of equipment? Me. I am glad to be back on the tube. A lot has happened. I will do a live update later, but for today I am just here to film a quick hair install. It's fall time, as we all know, so I'm going to install this blonde wig. So that's what I'm going to do today. We're going out later today. It's currently 3:37. I have to go pick up my son at 5 o'clock. But yeah, let's get right into it because I'm already talking too much, I feel. All right, so today I am using products from a Nigerian brand. If you don't know, Adefunkeee has our own hairline, and I got a bunch of stuff from there, so we're going to be using that for today's install. I got her glue, I got the skin guard, the lace melt, and the lace mousse. That's what we're going to be using today. I wanted to try it out. I've heard good stuff about it. If this glue can hold up people's hair in Nigeria, you should be able to hold up my hair. Yeah, I'm going to try that out first. So let me start with prep. So this is the adhesive skin guard, and then I'm going to use it on my hairline. Some people spray it directly on their hairline. Some people just spray it on the thing and then use it. That's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to spray it on here and then clean this. There are different ways to clean your hairline. You can use alcohol. I don't recommend that. My skin is a bit sensitive, so if I use alcohol, it tends to break me out. But I think this has alcohol in it. I think so because I can smell it. But this is what I use. Sea breeze. I use sea breeze to clean my hairline, disinfect any of that stuff. That's what I use typically, and it works great. We're going to go ahead and open this up. I use this. This is craft sticks. I use them to spread out the glue, because if you don't spread them out thin enough, it's not going to dry fast, and if it doesn't dry fast, you're not going to, lay your wig in the right way. So I always start in the middle, and it's a bit runny. It's runnier than I expected it to be. Most glue are not this runny. I do need a mirror, don't I? You guys, don't talk about my cornrow. When I do my nails, I cannot cornrow my hair for some reason, especially this length. One thing I would say is the glue actually pretty dries fast, because I just did this side and it's dried already, so that's a good thing. You want a glue that dries clear and dries fast. So I'm going to do another layer. So once you do the first layer, I would advise to put this on straight. Just use this stick. All right. I'm going to prep the hair, which is basically, so the last time I wore this hair, nothing really happened. I just wore it like normal. Today we're going to do something different to it. So I'm brushing the hair out so that there's no hair under, and then I'm turning on my hot comb. Yeah, I don't know if I was filming that time, but you guys see this bun on my head. I know I should need to come closer, but this hot comb burns my head. That's tell you how hot it is, which is a good thing, because you do want a hot comb that is actually hot. So I've installed this hair like 2 or 3 times, so I really don't need to do much plucking or tweezing or any of that. And this wig is a 13 by 4. There's not a lot. There is space, but not a lot of space like that. So you want the glue to be evenly. You don't want one side to have more glue than the other. Let's put the wig on. I hope if I lean forward you guys can still see me, but I need this mirror, so making sure that I have enough on both sides, so ear to ear. And then now I have a bit of extra lace on the wig, which I'm going to cut it off later. I know it looks crazy right now, but now, like I said before, We're just going to wait for that to dry. Hair installation takes a long time already. So imagine having to sit and just wait for your glue to dry. So that the tabs, because the ear tabs, they always lift first. For some odd weird reason, the ear tabs always lift up first. So once that is done and secure, now I have never used a lace tint, lace mousse. I've never used them before. So this is going to be my first time using it. So I'm going to try it and see how it works. I'm just going to take it section by section. I don't know if I'm supposed to like apply it on the lace. I don't know how that's supposed to work, but I see that this is how they do it in Nigeria. They put it on there. It literally controls the flyaways. Like, it controls how messy the hair is. Like, now it looks so tamed.
A few moments later.
So I have been gone for almost an hour. So let's see how it's looking like. Let me set up my mirror. Okay, so let's see what it is looking like. Oh wow. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys can see it from there. It's actually giving melted. So maybe this actually does wonders. Oh wow. It actually, like, it makes it like match your skin tone perfectly. That is crazy, because I have like a golden warm undertone, like my skin color, so it helps so that your lace doesn't look ashy, because sometimes your lace can look like that. So let's do the test. Wow, it is stuck. It is actually stuck. I am impressed. I am so impressed. Now the glue is not impressing me too much, because obviously I've used tons of glue, but the glue is good, we get that. But this is the game changer. The lace tint mousse, is it mousse? Mousse. This is actually the game changer. And the reason why this might be the game changer, especially for me and my install, is most mousse would lift if you put mousse on your hairline. If you put glue and then you put mousse on your hairline, it might not necessarily work, but this works because it's the same company making both. So obviously they won't make a mousse that would lift if you use the glue. Do you get what I mean? So this works together and it's phenomenal. My install is about to eat. What are you saying? Talk to me nice. Oh my goodness. No. And also you can see that the mousse also helps with taming of the hair. So yeah, I have some parts that didn't like fully lay down, so I'm gonna put glue there so that can lay down. That's crazy. And then we can go into styling. This is crazy. So I'm going to also do like a wear test, because like I said when I started the video, I'm going out tonight. We have a birthday party that we are going to, so I'm going to do like a mini wear test. This, I absolutely love it. Like, I haven't even put melt. So this is the lace melting spray. Obviously it works like the ebony spray. It works like the, what's the other one, the one before ebony came out with a melting spray. But now they say we should not be using ebony anymore. So I got this one, which is the one from FAQS, obviously. So we're going to use that to melt the lace and then tie it down. I'm going to do it the same way I did the mousse, which is spray it in a cap and use a brush to apply. This is crazy, you guys. It actually has like a very nice smell. It doesn't smell like hairspray, or like, it has like a fragrance to it, which is nice, which is really nice. I like it. And another thing is, this wig is very old. Like, when I mean very old, I mean like older than my son. So it's like almost 5 years old. So the lace is not like HD or like any, the lace is like normal lace. This lace is not HD, it's not like any fancy lace. So the fact that it's old enough, and then I'm going to tie it back and then come back, or maybe I'll just start styling, do that, because I'm going for a specific style which I even need to start working on. Okie dokies. So we have that on. So I do want to cut some layers into this hair, but I'm not the best at cutting hair. Like, I am not a professional at all. But I got this professional barbing scissors, and then I also have this is it comb razor vibe. So that's what I'm going to use today. Now, what I see most people do is they take like a portion of hair from here and do like a V, like we're literally doing try and arrow together.
Fool me once, fool me twice. When you're hiding things, might as well be lies.
Wax stick. I have so many wax sticks.
How long will I let this fly? Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. We gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good to fight. Don't expect me to come home tonight. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Tryna get you to wake up. I ain't coming, don't wait up. Can't ignore my intuition, baby. I know you're typing every game you try to play. You know you could get replaced, ayy. Cause I won't track around, no dead weight. Hit up my girls, pull up, I'm outside, waiting by the curb. Too upset to drive you, getting on my nerves. So we gon' get lit on this ride. I look too good tonight, and I just wanna have a good time. Don't worry about me, see you in the morning. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Think I had about enough. I mean, hold up, you could call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up. You gon' miss this body. Too late, oh I'm sorry. Bet you never thought that I would leave. Had about enough. Hold up, call me on my bluff. I ain't coming, don't wait up.
This is what we have. I really like it. Now we're going to see how the glue holds up. I intend to wear this all weekend. Today is Friday, tomorrow is Saturday and Sunday, and then we'll see how it holds up. I like this, I really do. I was really impressed by the mousse, and as you can see, it is stuck. It is stuck. It's on there, so let's see how it holds up all weekend long. I'm liking the view on my on my phone. I'm just a side part person. Pretty impressed, pretty impressed with the product. No lying about that. They're actually worth the money. But yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.